So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to turn on profile views on TikTok using your iOS devices. So let's get right into it. So first off, we launch your TikTok application, as you can see right here. And there we see our profile in the bottom right corner of our screen, which is already selected for us. And right here in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a footstep indicator, and we press that right there. And here it will show you the profile views. You have the option to turn it on or off, but now we want it on, so we just press on. And there, it will show you who viewed your profile for the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. You'll be notified of profile views if the notifications is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile, and you can turn this off anytime. So that's how you turn on profile views on TikTok using your iOS devices. And thank you for watching.